Hello everyone, my name is AyaCica and today I'm gonna start my Zodiac sign series. First I'm gonna start with Aquarius, and the colors for Aquarius is mostly light blue and silver, so I gone with these two colors with light blue, blue and silver, and the Saturn and Uranus, the planets that rules the signs, are brown and blue, and the element that's ruling the sign is air. And first of all I start with my MAC Prep and Prime spray, then I'm using my Garnier BB cream as a foundation. I'm covering my beautiful face. It's getting so much better. It starts to clean, and maybe once when it's gonna be super nice and cool, I'm gonna show my secrets how I did that. So I'm starting a Zodiac sign series. Yeah! And I was so happy with this one. So because the ruling color is air, not color. The ruling element is air, and the ruling colors are silver and blue, light blue. I picked my NYX In Your Elements air palette because that was super obvious to use, and there was silver and light blue too, so it's perfect for this look. And I'm talking weirdly, but I don't care. So I choose these colors. I use the silver as a base. It looked super nice. I really love these palettes. They were expensive, so I need to like them. No, I really love them because they are so pigmented and beautiful, and they blend perfectly and everything. Yes, so I used these two light colors. They were super light together, and I thought it's not gonna be enough on my eyes, so later I added uh, eyeliner on it to highlight these two colors more. And I didn't use only these two colors on my eyes. I've gone a little bit wilder, so I can't control myself when it's about makeups. So yes, you're gonna see what I did, or you already saw. So I applied a little bit of the light blue on my nose to make myself cuter, and then later I applied a little blue on my cheeks and next to my eyes. You're gonna see how it looks like. So on my cheeks down to almost down to my lips, and these gonna make a little bit cute and beautiful, a little bit mermaidy look, but not too much. I didn't want it to make a mermaid look. I wanted to make Aquarius, but of course lots of things is um, impacting my style, or I don't know how to say, controlling me. The facts that what I think about Aquarius, what I wrote about Aquarius, what I watched Fairy Tale, so that Aquarius is to have an impact on me, and the recent makeup styles that I'm watching on the internet. So, but I think everyone is like this. Then I'm using my Claire's palette to fill my eyebrows. I always use this palette and this color because I think this is the best that's matching my I don't know, my style, my colors. So I'm using that, but I'm gonna be a little bit I said I'm gone wild a little bit today, so I'm using the same blue that I used earlier, and I'm gonna add a little bit blue on my eyebrows to make the super blue, super silver look. And after that I'm using NYX Love You So Much palette, the Arcade Glam one, and I'm using this silvery highlighter. I use the silver colored or silvery colored, I don't know, to highlight my nose, on my cheekbones, the places where I usually do highlights, and it looked super good, super nice. I love these highlighter palettes, the NYX Love You So Much ones. I love doing highlights, and these two looked amazing together. I love this look. I loved it. This is beautiful. So I just highlighted the usual places, and I can talk a lot about this, but I do really love it. I just love it, and I hope the other's gonna be this super too. And yes, I can work on my highlights a lot. I'm talking with yes, and I applied a little bit in the inner corner of my eyes because that makes me cuter, in my opinion. Then I'm using my Claire's bronzer. I don't think that this has a specific name, but it don't have, I think. And I applied a little bit bronzer to highlight the blue color better, and I didn't find a better, I don't know how to say, lipstick. This wasn't the best choice, I think, but we using what we have. So I used this deep blue lipstick from Imagic. I don't know what its name. What is this name? Some kind of marine blue. It's a little bit deeper, I think. I don't remember its names because it's not written on it, unfortunately. So I don't know its names, and I used the previous silver that I used on my eyes, on my lips, to give a little silvery look there too. I don't want it to make this makeup only blue or too blue. And then I added a little black eyeliner because I wanted to make the colors on my eyes more visible, and I thought this gonna be a good idea. A really dark color next to these light ones, it's gonna highlight them. So I did this. I'm not doing too much eyeliner. If you notice that I'm not that a big, not to say fan, because I really love making them. They are look super cute and cool. Cool. Okay, so I'm not doing eyeliner too much because I'm doing these smoky type ones because I love them better, or I don't know how to say. I love these too, but when I was searching for my style, I decided to do more smoky ones and not using eyeliner. But sometimes when I feel like I need to use an eyeliner, I'm gonna use one. Whew. I'm talking a lot, and at the end I applied this beautiful blue false eyelashes, and then I choose a silver necklace with matching silver earrings because I have lots of silver jewelry, and because the blue is still too much, I wanted to use something silver or silver and blue, but I didn't find the perfect silver and blue, so I've gone with this silver white one that's mostly silver. So yes, that's the finished look. I hope you liked it because I loved making it. Okay, if you like this, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. There is lots of link in the description that you should check out. Please leave some sweet comments in the comment section because I want to know what you think. See you in the next episode. Bye!